Now you can generate amazing video ads for any product just by using Claude and Seedance 2.0. Only to show you, I generated these ads. So take a look at these ads, and after that I will guide you step by step how you can also do this.
Every sip pops with real strawberry. Moist soy, fruit you can feel.
Bro, why did nobody tell me about this? Smells like a chocolate bar melted into peanut butter. Okay, this is dangerous.
Okay, let's see what's inside. This thing looks insane.
So first of all, you have to come to Claude, and in here I'm using the Claude desktop application. Also, if you want to use that, you have to come to the Claude/download, and here you can download the Claude desktop application for free. And also if you want, you can use the Claude browser. For that you have to come to Claude.ai. And in here, our first task is we have to provide the product image. To do that, just go with plus and then go with add files or photos. And this is the product image of mine. I'm going to choose that, then go with open. And after that, I have to give a very simple prompt. And in here I said, use the Seedance ad generator skill to create a cinematic ad for this energy drink. So basically the skill in here I mentioned, which is the Seedance ad generator, and I added that with the Claude. And by using that skill, it will actually generate the prompts. And if you don't have the skill, basically that's a template for specific work. You can actually make a template and you have to just add that with Claude so that Claude can understand that what it have to do. Okay, let me just go with send then. So now you can see that it started giving the complete prompt, and you can see it also find out what will be the ad format. So that's an TV spot, because in here I said kind of like a cinematic ad, so that's why the duration will be 15 seconds. And also the aspect ratio will be 9:16, and the tagline is chill hits different. So in here, if you want, you can actually change that just by saying that you need the 16:9 ratio instead of going with the vertical shot. And also if you want to change the duration like 10 seconds, 8 seconds, you can go with that. And also if you want to change the format, like if you want like UGC ad type, you can also say that. So in here you can see our prompt is almost ready. So what I have to do is like, I'll just go with copy. After that, you have to simply come to Higgsfield AI, and I had given the link in the description so that you can also use that. So let me just say something about the Higgsfield. This is one of the most popular platform that enables user to create high quality, consistent AI videos and images from text or photos using advanced cinematography tools. And through this, we are using the Seedance 2.0. And after coming to this website, all you have to do, just go to the video section, and then you have to go to the Seedance 2.0, and here we have to give the product image at first. For that, just go with upload image, and in here you can see that that's our product. I just uploaded, select that, and let me say also, if you want, you can upload as many images as you want for your product, like for the side views, the back views, the upper view, and also the down view of your product. So what's gonna happen, this AI model can understand more about your product. So in here, I want to just make this thing very simple. So that's why only I use the front view of the product. And in the place of prompt, I'll directly paste that what I just copied from the Claude, and which is this one. Okay, and I can see the prompt has been successfully pasted. If we want, we can change the like duration. So in this case, let's go with like 15-second video. And let me say also, you can go with 4-second video, the minimum, and maximum you can go with 15-second video with the Seedance 2.0. And also if you want, you can change the ratio, but in this case, let's go with a vertical video. But here you can see there are so many options like 1:1, 3:4, 6:9. And also in here, we can change the resolution. Let's go with the maximum resolution, which is 180 pixel. And let's go with generate. So now you can see that it generated the ad, and I think it took like 1 minute to complete that. So let me show you that.
When the heat breaks, Prime answers. Ice Pop, naturally flavored, zero compromise.
Prime chill hits different. So yeah, like you can understand that the voiceover was really cool. Even the video footages, the different clips was awesome. The thing is like only I had given this image. From this, it actually generated the whole thing. So you don't have to actually go with like bunch of things. You don't have to generate like bunch of clips right now. Only just one product image with a specific prompt that is enough to generate a ad like this. So let's try to do something also. So for that, I'll just go to my Claude again. So let's try to create a UGC type video for an another product. For that, I'll just go with again plus, then I'll go with add files or photos. Then let's go with this product. And then again, I'll just go with plus and then go with photos. And for the product, let's choose this character. And now I'll just give a prompt something like this. Use the Seedance ad generator skill to create UGC ad for the chocolate flavor peanut butter, and the ad will be 10 seconds long, and also the second image is for the character. That's it. Let's go with send. So what's gonna happen, it will analyze the product, and based on the product it will actually give a UGC prompt and what the character have to say in that UGC video. In this case I didn't say that what will be the tagline, so that's why it actually find out the tagline for this product, which is like healthy, never tasted this good. If you want to use another tagline, you can actually say this in here. So prompt is ready right now. So as like the previous one, I'll just copy that and then I'll go to the Higgsfield again, and in here at first I have to go with the upload media so that I can upload the product image and also the character. For that, let's go with add media. So that was our product, and also we have to upload the character, and that's our character in here. Let's go with open. Okay, now we have to actually give the prompt. I'll just delete the previous one and let me just paste this one. And here in the elements, if you want, you can go with sound on or off. So obviously that's a UGC ad, so that's why we're going with the sound on. And in the place of time, we go with 10 seconds because our prompt is basically for a 10-second video. And in the aspect ratio, we're going with like 9:16 again. And for the resolution, we're going with 980 pixel. Let's go generate again. So now you can see that in just minutes, the video is ready. Let me show you the ad.
Bro, you have to try this. No trans fat, no junk, just real chocolate peanut butter. This is insane. Tastes like dessert. Bro, you have to try this.
Nobody can just believe that. Just a single prompt and only 2 simple images down this thing. So whatever, like if I should do something else also. And by the way, I forget to say you that how you can actually download that. To download any video, you can just go with like download, and it will just ask for the path like why you have to download, and then you can just save that. And also Higgsfield store your videos inside it, so no worries for losing this. So let's go with like something else. In this case, we want to actually create a video about unboxing type. So for that, I just came to Pinterest and thought that whatever if I actually make a video for this mouse. Okay, and in here you can see like there are a bunch of mouse, and let me just go with this one. And also we need a character for that. In this case, I chosen this character, and you can see that like everything is in Pinterest, like very random in the internet right now. So what I have to do is like very simple. I'll just copy this image at first, and then I'll just open my Claude, and here simply I'll just paste that, and also I'll just paste the character. For that, again I'll just go back there and choose the character, copy the image, and then go to the Claude again, and here again paste that. And after doing this, I'll give a command like this. Use the Seedance ad generator skill to create a unboxing ad for this wireless mouse, and the ad will be 10 seconds, and also the second image is for the character. So let's go with a ratio like 6:9. So instead of going with a vertical video, we want to generate a horizontal video. Okay, and here's the ratio I'd given. Let me just go with send. And right now, it's like the previous one, it will use that exact skill, and then it will generate the prompt. And again, in this case, I didn't give it any tagline, so it will actually find out the tagline. In here it said that build different, feels different. Okay, and there's the character. The character is basically like late 20s man, and right now it's generating the prompt. And yeah, obviously this is the last video I'll show you, and after that I'll show you that how the skill really working and how you can actually create the skill. And as like the previous one, I'll just copy the prompt, and then I'll go back to the Higgsfield, and then I'll just go to the plus at first. And also if you want, you can actually directly drag and drop any image. For that, I'll just kind of like drag this image in here. Also, I'll drag this image in here. So our 2 images has been successfully uploaded. So right now I'll just delete the previous one, and then I'll select these 2. And now in the prompt, I'll just delete the previous prompt, and then I'll just paste the new one. And here in the place of aspect ratio, I only just change that from 9:16 to 16:9. That's it. And I'll just keep that as it is. Let's go with generate. So while the video is generating, let me give you a quick overview about the skill. For that, I'll just go to the Claude, and here if I just go to the skill section, for that just go to the customize, and then I'll just go to the skills, and here you can see this is the skill I'm using, which is Seedance Ads Generator. And here's a skill overview. Basically it will actually generate 10 to 15-second videos, and there'll be like different clips, and also by default it will generate lines of 16 ratios videos. If the user wants, it can generate another ratios also, and the resolution will be 1080 pixel. That's the input port. Like user only have to give the product image and the text prompt. Based on that, it will give the prompt which will be used for generate the ad. And by default it will work with the Seedance 2.0. It can generate like cinematic motions, face consistency, and also high detail stuffs. And here's the 9 ads format. So basically this skill can generate the most popular 9 format ads. The first one is the UGC type ads, means user generated ads content. The second one is kind of like the tutorial. If you need a tutorial ad, also you can do that. The third one is the unboxing one. Right now we're actually doing the unboxing one. The hypermotion, also the product review, the TV spot basically cinematic style videos, the wildcard. Also wildcard means like if something unexpected really comes at the first scene and then it actually goes to the main ad. Basically this kind of ad, it's called the wildcard videos. The UGC virtual try on, the pro virtual try on, and almost all of the ads you saw that on the internet, those are under one of this format. By using this 9 format, it can generate any ad in this world. And here's the process part, and basically that actually says to the Claude like how it have to analyze the product, what kind of format you have to go through, the build of the prompt, means the formula for the prompt, the apply cinematic details, the character consistency, the voiceovers, the tagline integrations. And here's the output format, like how it have to give the output, and that's the prompt formula, basically like how it have to actually give you the prompt so that like it is ready to use. Only you have to just copy that, then you have to just paste that inside the Higgsfield. If you want to use the Seedance, then inside the Seedance 2.0. So that's how you can make a skill. And if you want to use the exact skill I'm using here, you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. I've given the link in the description. So after joining, you have to just come in the classroom, and then you have to go in the Claude AI section, and then you have to go in the Claude skills, and there you'll get the exact skill. To download that, only just go and download the skill, and from here just go and download. And after downloading, you have to come to your Claude, and then you have to go to your customize section, and from here just go to the skills, and then go with the plus, and then go with create new skill, and then go with upload a skill. And after that you have to choose the exact skill that you just downloaded, in this case which is this one. I'll just go with open that. So you can see that that's how I can actually use that skill. And in here make sure that that is enabled. So if you actually disable that, then you can't use this skill. If you enable that, then you can use this skill anytime when you want. Just you have to mention this name in the comment box. That's it. So let's go to our Higgsfield and let's see is it generated our video or not. So here you can see that there's the video. Let's just go with open that.
Okay, let's see what's inside. This thing looks insane.
Awesome. So you can understand that if the user used it at the first time, then it will look so good instead of, you know what, another person opening that box. But whatever, like I think the video is 9 out of 10. And also you can understand that the consistency of the product and also the character, because this is the same product in here, and also this is the same character in here. Okay, and I just given that randomly from the internet and just took everything. And also if I want, I can just change the background, but in this case I didn't say that, so that's why it's kind of like working with that. And yeah, that's the thing. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to learn more about this kind of things, and also you need the complete skill, then just join the Hello AI community. I had given the link in the description. And also with that you'll get bunch of things related with N10, Claude, Claude Codes, Claude Cowork, Make.com, or like integrated Google AI Studio. All are the most latest AI stuffs. And also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything there. And as a community member, you'll get access with me. You can actually ask help anytime when you want. So that's the thing I want to share with you guys. See you in the new video. Till then, peace.